Okay. Okay, Tommy, how do you do it?
This is how you pull it in, make a smooth surface, turn it around. Start working the middle with your thumb and your index, squeezing it together, trying to crimp the inside, make sure it's sealed. You need a really good seal. Then down. This tightens it up a bit. Nice ball, scoop it, place it inside the container. Voila!
All right, one more time. Anaho from the raw dough. With the raw dough.
I'm letting it fold over my hands like this. I'm trying to get a center that's smooth, you see? I'm folding it inside, working it around, flip it over, and I'm starting to work it with my thumb and my pointer. Got a nice wet dough so it closes nice. I'm trying to pinch it so the seal on the bottom is good. Put it down. Now I'm just gonna tighten that ball up. Get a nice clean scoop. Place it in your container. Voila.
Boom.